Hello everyone and welcome to another one of our integration videos. Today we will look over our integration with one of the oldest and most well-known SIEMs in the market, and that is IBM QRadar. First, I want to quickly show you how this integration works alongside with the data flow and output, and then we'll move to see it in practice. For that, I am on our implementation tutorial page, which you can find at docs.arcanna.ai. Link will be in the description. So here I just opened this architecture diagram in another tab to quickly go over how this works. So as with most setups, the starting point will be a source of data. In this case, we have security events going in IBM QRadar, where we apply detection rules and generate offenses. These offenses are being pulled inside Arcanna, where the model, after it has been provided feedback and training, will take a decision, and based on that decision takes some actions inside QRadar. In order to see exactly what those actionable things are, I'm going to show you quickly in our settings page in Arcanna. This is basically the jobs setting. Here you will be able to choose what you want to happen based on the decision. In this example, I would like to have investigation notes left by Arcanna both for escalated and dropped alerts. You can set a custom template for this. So for dropped alerts I want this text, and for escalated I want this text. Besides this, I want to add a follow-up flag to the ones that are escalated and assign them to the admin user, while for the dropped alerts I don't want to flag it, and I just want to assign it to the drop queue user. It's a user I previously created. Okay, so now let's just jump back here and take a look over the third part. The third part refers to the fact that we can send the decision to other third-party solutions, such as incident management tools or messaging apps or etc. But for the purposes of this video, we will stick with QRadar. Now, this implementation guide contains everything you need to know to set it up. And basically all you need is the prerequisites, which is an Arcanna instance, either deployed in the cloud or on-premise, an Elasticsearch, which serves as the storage space for Arcanna, and your IBM QRadar instance, and of course a source of data. After you go through all of this guide, you will be left with an active AI job. And that AI job has these settings that I've shown you just now. Now that you have some understanding over how this works, let's jump into QRadar and see it in practice. For this video, the example I want to show you is this one. So I activated a rule called a scheduled task was created, and trained the model to drop what tasks I'm expecting to be created on those hosts, and escalate everything else. So as you can see, we have 7 offenses here, and some are flagged, which means were escalated, and some are not. If you go over with your mouse, you can see this offense is currently assigned to the drop queue, and the investigation note saying that Arcanna dropped this offense. Check if the decision was as expected when time allows it. And the ones that are escalated are marked for follow-up, assigned to the admin user, and have another investigation note. So what this does is basically allow your analysts to focus on the really important offenses. So it's very easy to go in a large pool of offenses and get lost. In this way, with Arcanna, what we are aiming is to reduce the alert fatigue for the analysts, and in so doing, improving the quality of the work they are doing, and also allowing more time for development by focusing on the real incidents. So the process would just be the analyst sees the ones that are flagged, goes over it, and starts investigating. That is pretty much the whole process. It's pretty simple, and it can easily be integrated in your SOC workflow. And this can yield great results, especially in cases where you have a lot of offenses that are overwhelming the analysts. This pretty much concludes this video, and I hope now you have a pretty good understanding of our integration with QRadar and how it works. And as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to contact us directly or use the idea box inside Arcanna. So, because you're the only one in position to give us valuable insights. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next video.